this moment. Okay, now we're at the Festival Mall at Bangtown Center right now, and
Mangangamoy lawa yung mic.
I'm not eating it. We're here at the Bangtown Center, and we're having our first round in a couple of minutes. First battle for tonight. I got this dude in my right. Introduce yourself.
My name is My name is Buknoy, the fighting ball.
Buknoy, the fighting ball. And on my left,
I'm 27, and my name is Logbet.
Logbet, okay. Hey, somebody flip some coin or some shit. You got some coin. I got some shit. Oh, how about we... Yeah. That's okay.
Fucking tao.
Okay, it's a 10.
Okay.
So, you're gonna go first, right? You're gonna call
It's
it.
up to me.
Oh, it's up to you. So,
He goes.
You can't do that. That's like cheating though because it's...
No.
Okay.
yeah, easy choice, okay?
No, catch up to you.
Okay, so this guy on my right is gonna go first. Okay, you got like a minute and a half. Time starts now.
Yo, sino kalaban ko? Mukhang takbuhan. Bumalik ka sa pinanggalingan mo. Magtawag ka ng mga kasama mo. Time!
Okay, since he said it's time, okay. You probably spit like for like 10 seconds. It's a good 10 seconds.
That's it.
But yeah, this guy is gonna go. The second guy right here. Okay, you got a minute and a half, and time starts now.
Yo, kung sa pagkain ako ay puto siya yung dinuguan. Huwag kang maglalakad sa puno kasi mababag kang... Joking! Okay, go. Ako ay nawala, pero teka lang, ako ay nandito. Lahat kayo ay nasa aking nakikita. Nonsense.
Womp womp womp.
Now myself.
That's our first round. Flip top, lagi kayo. Yeah, okay. This is our second round, and Betlog or
Betlog?
Buknoy's gonna go now.
Si Betlog.
Buknoy's gonna go now, so he's got 10 seconds to speak. Since he wants to speak, 10 seconds. So here it is. Here's the mic. Timer starts now.
Yo, huwag ka malaki kasi ako si Andrew E. Ikaw si Eminem, di ba? Galing ka doon sa planeta E.T. What? Saan?
Time! Okay. Logbet, you got 10 seconds. Timer starts now.
Yo, kalaban ko si...
Betlog.
Actually, sa itsura ka, may buka pero hawig mo si Noy-Noy. Pero wag na huwag kang hihita dahil magmumukha kang Shokoy. At kung gusto mo, kumain ng balot, eto betlog ko parang Penoy.
So that's the second round. Now we're gonna go to the third round, and I got Buknoy right here on my right. Timer starts now. You got 10 seconds, bro. Here.
Yo,